Today on Crypto Line, we'll be talking about Elon Musk and how we think Dogecoin will reach its new all-time high. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. The popular meme-themed cryptocurrency, which started as a joke, has now increased in value by almost 5,000% over the year. This is largely due to support from the billionaire Elon Musk, who's continued to make it clear that Dogecoin is his favorite digital currency. Back in September of 2020, a token of Doge was worth way less than a cent, but today, the coin is trading at about 30 cents per token. Although the price is still below its historical all-time high of about 73 cents. Dogecoin is ranked as one of the top-performing cryptocurrencies over the past quarter, as the digital currency has seen almost a 400% growth since the beginning of the year. The coin is up by almost 9% over the past 7 days. The Tesla and SpaceX chief is one of the strongest and most controversial supporters of Dogecoin, as each of his tweets about the meme coin increases its value practically instantly. Although some investors have resented Musk over his devotion to Dogecoin, the 50-year-old businessman continues to openly support it. Recently, the Dogecoin creators announced an update to the platform. The update is aimed at reducing transaction fees and increasing the security of the network. A few hours after the announcement, Musk shared the post on Twitter, adding that it was quite important. The price of Dogecoin has experienced a boost of about 5% over the past week. This surge is coming after the billionaire investor Mark Cuban said in an interview that the Dogecoin community is the strongest when it comes to using it as a means of exchange. And Musk replied, "I've been saying this for a while." Some months ago, Musk tweeted that he was working alongside Dogecoin developers to improve the system transaction efficiency. It's also reported that Musk told a Dogecoin developer that his goal is to make Dogecoin easy enough for use that investors could use it to pay for a cup of coffee. The point is that Dogecoin was created as a joke to basically make fun of other cryptocurrencies. However, fate loves irony. What would be the most ironic outcome? The currency that started as a joke, in fact, becomes the real currency, he said. Many financial experts continue to be skeptical of cryptocurrencies as a whole due to their speculative nature and warn that people should only invest money that they can afford to lose. Some experts warn people to be especially cautious when investing in Dogecoin in particular, since it lacks the scarcity and technological development that Bitcoin has. Though Dogecoin was created as a joke and its creators never meant for it to be taken seriously, both Musk and Cuban see it as a useful digital currency. The point about Doge that people miss is that the imperfections and simplicity of Dogecoin are its greatest strengths, Cuban tweeted. You can only use it to do two things, spend it or hodl it, and both are easy to understand. It's also cheap to buy and makes it a community that anyone can join and enjoy. After Dogecoin set up a swing high of 35.3 cents on August 16th, the price has hit a dead end as Doge bulls are found wanting in the market, and this has resulted in a downswing. However, the retracement has pushed the meme coin to a critical support area that will likely trigger an upswing. The price of Dogecoin dropped by almost 25% after that August 16th swing high. This fall has pushed Doge into a demand zone ranging from 26.2 to 28.1 cents. The pullback was met with a slight and sudden increase in buying pressure that's currently pushed Dogecoin's price up to where it is at the moment. In the days to come, investors can expect the meme coin to continue its upswing until it hits the 32.8 cents resistance level. A strong close above this barrier will open the path up to 40 cents. The upswing, however, could halt at the 36.8 resistance level as the run-up to the 40 cents level represents almost a 35% climb from its current price. On the other hand, if the buyers do not hold the price above the demand zone, extending from 26.2 to 28.1, it will indicate a weak buying pressure and an increased seller activity. Such a move will delay the upswing. Also, a strong close below 24 cents will invalidate the bullish theory, and if the drop continues, Doge could head to 23 cents. Sarah Coles, a financial analyst at Hargreaves Lansdown, recently said predicting what's going to happen next to meme coins is like predicting what will likely cause the next tantrum in a room full of toddlers. Because it has no underlying value, it's not generally used for transactions, and is a terrible store of value as the price is driven by highly unpredictable sentiment. So while people may point to patterns in the past and make guesses as to whether or not they will happen again, in reality, it's difficult to say with any measure of certainty. As with those toddlers, any one of them could kick off at any time, she continued. This, however, doesn't prevent Dogecoin fans from forecasting what they think will happen to the price of the coin. An example is Walt Investor, which predicts that Dogecoin will hit 58.5 cents in the next year. Also, Digital Coin predicts that the price will reach 64.1 cents by next year. Dogecoin was created at a time when cryptocurrencies were slowly gaining ground. It was built using existing open source code from Litecoin and other projects, with added modifications. It's similar to Litecoin except that it doesn't have a maximum supply. Dogecoin miners can earn 10,000 Doge per block, and blocks are created every minute. This means that about 14 million new tokens go into the wallet of miners or are sold into the market each day. In a recent interview, Dogecoin's co-creator Billy Marcus said that the initial idea was a parody of all the serious clone coins that were trying so hard to make themselves distinct, but all seem the same. Dogecoin was just another clone coin, but instead of taking itself seriously, it was just Dogecoin. It should be noted that Bitcoin was primarily created to stop the inflation and decreasing purchasing power of fiat currencies and to create a secure network where that doesn't happen. A lot of Bitcoin's current value is derived from its scarcity and finite supply. On the contrary, Dogecoin's supply is infinite. Another important concern with Dogecoin is that very few wallets own a majority of the overall supply. This allows a handful of individuals to control the price fluctuations as they can greatly affect the market liquidity. A recent report shows that just 0.002% of Dogecoin wallets hold 2/3 of the coin's total supply. Relative to Dogecoin, the sizes of Bitcoin's wallets are very evenly distributed. According to a report from Glassnode, wallets holding 1 Bitcoin or less hold almost 5% of the total amount of Bitcoin. Wallets with 10 to 50 Bitcoin hold nearly 9% of the total supply, and wallets with 500 to 1,000 Bitcoin hold 6.6% of the total supply. Some experts believe that one of the reasons why the price of Dogecoin is going up in spite of its increasing supply is due to stimulus and inflation. Back in February of 2020, there was about $15.4 trillion in the economy. However, after the various stimulus packages, that value has increased to nearly $20 trillion. Stock market prices, real estate, commodities, and more have all drastically increased with the influx of money. Another reason why Dogecoin's surge has been sustained is the growing use of finance apps like Robinhood and Coinbase by younger generations. Access to trading and investing are currently at their highest points, and also nearly every large retail brokerage platform reduced its commission fees and account minimums to $0 in 2019, making trading and investing open to anyone who is 18 years and above with a smartphone. With such easy access for younger groups, a new culture was grown and emerged on Reddit and other forums, many of which are focused more on humor than they are on sound investment decisions. The Dogecoin subreddit seemed to grow in parallel to the popular Wall Street Bets subreddit, which is known for its memes and risky trades. The answer to whether or not to invest in Dogecoin is personal and is dependent on how much speculative risk you're willing to take. Although Dogecoin has certainly provided for good comedy and made a lot of people money, it's hard to say how sustainable it will be. At the end of the day, investing in Dogecoin is based mostly on speculation, and that the coin will continue to rise as a result of social trends, as well as support from online celebrities like Elon Musk. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.